Hi guys, okay, it's a favorite girl, the excellent spirited teacher. Okay, so this is the part 2 on a short tutorial on how to launch your Zoom meeting, how to have a meeting on Zoom. Okay, so I'm just going to start all over again. So this is my Zoom app on my desktop. This is my Zoom app. I downloaded it from Microsoft Store. So I'm going to be using this Zoom app to set up my Zoom class. Okay, assuming I'm having a class now. So I'm gonna double click on this Zoom workplace, and you can decide to pin it down here on the taskbar. This is the taskbar. Okay, so I did that for just easy, should I say easy, just for me to get easy hold of it, like to have to just get it at my tip, like whenever I need it. Okay, so this is it. I've launched my Zoom. I've made sure you are connected. You can see my Wi-Fi is on. So I'm starting a new meeting. So this is my new meeting. I click on the new meeting. You can see it displaying here. So I'm going to like expand this meeting. Okay, so oh, my torchlight is really okay. So this is the Zoom meeting, and as you can see, this is my Zoom class. Okay, so I'm really using my phone. That's why that light is like being so bright. Okay, I wish I can really cover it, but I can't. Okay, so here you have audio. My audio is on, my video is on. I can decide to close my video, yes, if I don't want anybody to see my face, which I just did. Then this participant, so you come here to participants, and no, I'm not going to click on it. I'm going to click on this little tiny dot beside it, and you see copy link invite. I click on copy. Then I'm gonna go to Chrome. Just come here, go to Chrome. I can search my Chrome from here. Chrome, Google Chrome. Okay, so who is using this? Is me, excellent spirited Dockers. So this is me. That's the mail I want to use. Okay, why am I going to Chrome? I'm going to Chrome because I need to send my mail to the person I'm having the meeting with. Okay, so I click on compose. Once I click on compose, a dialog box will appear. So it's still loading. It's still going to appear soon. Okay, so it has appeared. And who am I sending it to? Okay, let's say I'm sending it to Dockers excellent spirited, or Dockers dot Gabriel, okay, at Jesuit Memorial .org. Okay, assuming I'm sending to this my email here. So what's the subject? Please join my class. Okay, so I'm done. I click on this. I click on, no, I'm not attaching any file, sorry. So I'm just going to right click and press and click on paste. So that's my Zoom meeting link. So I'm sending Dockers the link to join my meeting. I just sent it. You can see message sent. Okay, so I return back to my Zoom class, and this is it. Now assuming Dockers have joined, the participants here will change to 2. Okay, so now I want to share my screen. I come here, I want to share everything. I click on share. Now don't press anything here, just come down here and click on share again. Now can you see that it's sharing my screen? This is my screen. You can see this control box here. Okay, so assuming I want to share this Microsoft Word, I click on Microsoft Word. So it's loading. So I'm sharing my screen with my so this is okay. So this is the lesson for today, ICT as a transformational tool. Okay, so this is what I'm sharing, and I begin to teach. Hi guys, welcome back to my class and all that. So this is how to, you know, have a class on Zoom. I hope this video was helpful. Okay, so if it was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Okay, so have a nice day. Bye.